I know that a number of Jamaicans have been waiting, apparently with bated breath, for these very few words that I'm about to utter. I'm pleased to announce the following appointments. The Honourable Fayval Williams, MP, will assume duties as Minister of Finance and the Public Service. Senator Dr. the Honourable Morris Dixon will assume duties as Minister of Education, Skills, Youth and Information. And Mr. Matthew Samuda, MP, will reassume his role as Minister without Portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. These appointments are designed to maintain stability and minimize disruption in the functioning of the government, but at the same time, pivot towards a growth-oriented economic policy, as well as to make a priority and focus of human capital development. To help drive this pivot towards growth, I have assigned my senior advisor, Mr. Alec John, who is highly regarded for his financial expertise, to work closely with the Minister of Finance, newly minted, Minister Fayval Williams.
The role is one of great responsibility, and it comes at a pivotal moment in our country's journey. We're in a time that continues to demand vision, resilience, and a steadfast commitment to building a future that offers both stability and opportunity for all citizens. I assure you, I am ready to work tirelessly to continue to make this vision a reality.
Education is critical for all of the goals that we desire for our people. And I know that as I have gone around Jamaica, I see these young, brilliant, bright minds around our country, and all they need are opportunities. And the Ministry of Education is so important in delivering the kind of workforce that believes in building Jamaica, that believes in the values that we hold dear. And I tell you, just based on my discussions with the Prime Minister, it is important that we leave no child behind. It is important that no child leaves school unable to read. It is important that every child is numerate. And for a long time, we've not really been able to achieve that.